He looks so sweet and innocent, doesn't he? But, if I let him, which I'm not going to try to let him, he will cling on me like Velcro. Georgie. You look like you're in deep thought, George. George, what are you doing, George? George. Hi, George. What you doing, George? He loves to grab me and jump on me, don't you? He's kind of basically finished with his pacifier, but he just ate, so he kind of likes it just after he ate. Like I'll say in every video, don't mind my hands. They are so cut up. When I go to the shops, people just look at me like, creepy lady with the cut hands. So, but they don't know why I'm a creepy lady with cut hands. It's because of George. It's because just of George. Right, George? Where's his little feet? He's being actually really good. He was being so clingy 5 minutes ago. Weren't you? You were... Oh, okay. See, I spoke too soon. George. No clinging in this, George. See, don't see these back feet. Try